Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Alia Putri Sulaiman. I'm from Sultan Ageng Tirtayasa University, Faculty of Teacher Training and Education, English Department, Class 1C. My student ID is 22232100072. This is my final test of English pronunciation. I want to tell you about common mistake in English pronunciation that produced by Indonesian people. Check it out. There are some common mistakes done by most Indonesians who learn English and especially English students. These mistakes are in the pronunciation of some English words. The mistakes somehow become the truth and they are no more considered as mistakes. They become common mistakes expected by the English users and learners. The difficulty occurs to the English user, especially Indonesian, since the English spelling doesn't apply phonetics rules as in Indonesian. This difference is pretty much significant for Indonesian speaker, for Indonesian alphabet is using phonetic rules in the clear way. Most of Indonesian alphabets have similar sound and spelling as in international phonetic alphabets. The English learners will find it difficult to follow English spelling inconsistency. I will tell you some words that are often mispronounced. The first is that. Usually this word is pronounced dope by many learners or English users. However, the correct pronunciation should be doubt. In fact, of the sound of B is omitted or is not pronounced. This case is also happen to that, which should be pronounced that instead of that. The word determine is the perfect example of the confusion in English inconsistency. Many Indonesians pronounce it as determine, since the pronunciation is considered only the compound of deter and mine, while in fact determine is completely a different word. The word determine should be pronounced as determine. The case is also works for examine, which should be pronounced examine instead of examine. Next is the word H is another perfect example, since many English words with the letter ch are pronounced as ch, as in beach, fish, match, and many more. It is no wonder the word H is considered having the same rule and it should be pronounced as H. Though there are plenty of words with indifferent pronunciation, cord or chick, the word H should be pronounced as egg. Egg. However, case is one of the most pronounced, since the letter he is usually pronounced well in Indonesian and also some in English as in home, hope, or here. Most will pronounce however, while in fact, however, the letter H is silent into hour. It is similar to honor, which is pronounced as honor instead of honor. Because it is another example of a common mistake in the pronunciation. It should pronounce because instead of because. This wording therefore is expected as an assistance for the Indonesian English learners or users in understanding more about English pronunciation and help them to listen and the mistake in the English pronunciation. I think that's enough for me. I'm sorry if there are any mistake in my word. I hope the information that I gave is useful. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.